What's up guys, this is Michael, and today's video I'm going to show you how to spot support and resistance. So what you do, just find the areas that has more bounce. So for me, I would say here, it's because we have these several touches here and almost touches here, somewhere here, probably in the lower time frame, probably, and several touches here, here, and here. So let's find another support and resistance here. I would say here, because we have this one and several touches here, our break, and the price is just bouncing back and forth in here. We have several touches here, here, and here. So that would be our another support here. And another support that I see is somewhere here because of this one, this two, several touches here, 4 and 5, several touches here. So another example should be somewhere here. It's because we have touch here, 2, and the price broke here, 4, 5, 6, several touches here, 7, 8, 9, and possible almost 10. So that is your strong support. So as you can see, the price is just touch here, then bounce, it bounced here, it did bounce again, it tried to break, but it went up again, and it break down, and it actually bounced back here, then go down, and it bounced here and went down. It tried to break, and it bounced again here, and it bounced again here, and it bounced again here. So another example should be here, because we have touch here, another bounce here, third bounce, it broke, and it bounced here again, it went down. So this one is also a great support or resistance. Another support and resistance that I can see, this would be your support here, because we have bounce here, 2, it broke here, and it bounced here, bounce, another bounce here, somehow broke here, bounce here, and another bounce here. So that's how you spot or support. And another example here, we have bounce here, another bounce, price struggling here, bounce here again, almost, anyway. And that's how you spot support. Another example, probably here, because bounce here, almost somewhere here, several touches here, it bounced here, it had a faker here, several touches here, and another bounce here. And that's how you spot support and resistance. And another support here is here. As you can see, price is struggling in this area, a bounce here, it broke, but it bounced here, several touches here, struggling, almost, price struggled here, and that's how you spot support and resistance. So now if you're trading, of course, you have to check on this. You have to be aware on the support. So just like this, the price is just going back and forth here. It broke, and it down, it touched here, and it bounced here, bounce, it broke here. Now this one became a resistance, this support became a resistance. Now you have your support here, then it broke, struggled, and it went up. Another area is here actually. It's because we have a bounce here, price struggled here, bounce to the downside, it went up, bounce here, another bounce here, almost, it broke, bounce here, bounce here, bounce here, almost. So that's how you spot support and resistance. So this video is not intended for trading strategy. The objective is just show you how to spot support and resistance. So let's go now to the chart of Bitcoin. I see here, because the price bounce here, another bounce here, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost, 7, 8, 9. So never know. Price might go down here at 30K. Another support or resistance is right here. So we have this bounce here. The price broke here. And the price broke here, but struggling because this candle here. If we zoom in, actually these two candles here, almost here, and another one touch here, another touch here, almost, and several touches here, and almost, and several touches here. So guys, currently we are on the support of this Bitcoin. So are we going up or down? So just be careful guys. So XRP possible here because we have bounce here, another bounce here from this candle here, almost, actually this one, this red candle here, 4, 5, this one almost. So are we going to see another drop of XRP? So this is sand. I'll see somewhere here, because here, 2, 3, several touches here, 4, almost, then this candle here, 5, and several touches here, almost. See the bounce here, another bounce here, supposed to be almost, and another support here somewhere there. Let's see, let's go to the 4-hour chart. See, several touches here, bounce here, another bounce here, bounce here, and it's kind of broke. It kind of broke on this resistance here. So let's see guys. So guys, this is not a trading strategy. This is just how to show you how to spot support and resistance. So there's a possibility the price will go down here for a bounce, or it could break. So guys, if you find this video informative, just give me a thumbs up, and if there's something you want me to add or to clarify, just comment down below and I'll do another video for this. Thank you, bye bye, I love you.